Hey guys, just doing a slightly different intro. So the video you're about to see, I actually recorded back in March when the swoosh pack dropped. But for some reason, I never actually edited it. But as I'm out of the country at the moment with SJ, I thought I'd put it together so you can at least see what the swoosh pack looked like and how excited I was. So anyway, let's go watch the video. Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and if you've read the title, this is the unboxing for the AF1 Swoosh Pack. Shall we go? Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and this is another unboxing. And as the title says, it's for the AF1 Swoosh Pack. Taking a bit of time to get here, as I ummed and ahed on the white, didn't get those, ummed and ahed on the black pack, got those from Sneakers and Stuff. Turns out they actually came from Sweden, so they've taken a bit of time to get here. But we are going to start unboxing about now. Okay, so we didn't need Mission the Trusty Global this time because Sneakers and Stuff added a nice pull thing. So we're going to just flip this like this. Nice little thing from our friends at Sneakers and Stuff. I would say, I've said it a lot of times, but this video really isn't sponsored by them. I wish it was. So what we've got, first of all, is, right, so let's get that box out. Let's get rid of that. So, different type of AF1 box to the last ones I opened, the Hong Kong pack. So we're looking at a grey, this will be silver box, Nike Air Force 1 on the front. You got that SJ on Sneaker Cam? Cool. So we should probably look on the side. These are an Air Force 1 07 Quick Strike, and they're at 11.5. That's a US 11.5, a UK 10.5. They're black, and the code is AH8462002. And it has occurred to me why they may well actually be in this silvery grey box, and it's because they're the 07, but we will see. So let's just put that little note away from our friends at Sneakers and Stuff. So first of all, this was the swoosh pack, and so we do have, we have some swooshes. We have some swooshes here before we even get to the shoe. So the paper, Camera 2, is not the starred AF1 paper. It's AF1 paper that's got, you got that SJ on Sneaker Cam? Can you come in close? Have we got this? Yeah, so we can see that. So that's quite interesting. Oh wow. So these are super chunky people. So as always, you know, an AF1 traditionally, classically worn in black or white. This is obviously the black pair. So there's nothing that we don't know about these shoes. They are the AF1 shape. I would say I've got a slight mark, clearing that up there. I'm just looking at the shoe. It's standard AF1. I'm looking for glue marks. Glue marks look okay, but none of us care about that, do they? Sneaker Cam, none of us care about that. Everyone cares about the swooshes, Camera 2. So let's get the swooshes out. And so, little story for you there. SJ said to me, but they won't give you many swooshes, you won't get many, there won't be many colours. I can tell you already, we have got blue swooshes, we have got orange swooshes. Can you see that there on Sneaker Cam, SJ? We have got neon pink. Look at that, neon pink swoosh. We've got a lovely green, and we've obviously got this purple there. Can you see that, Camera 2? And I can tell you, people, that these are all seriously Velcroed. They're all Velcroed up. You got that, Sneaker Cam, just to show? Can we see this? So let's take the AF1 shoe tree thingy bobs out. We don't really want to see those at the moment. We want to have a look at the black swoosh. So let's just loosen these off as well. I tell you what, Air Force 1s do come seriously factory laced. They're super tight. You need to loosen these bad boys off. Oh yes, I am loving these. I don't know why I've never got black AF1s before, because that's a bit of a great shoe. So first of all, just ripped that off. I just ripped it off, look. So that's a Velcro thing. So if I've got some Velcro stuff downstairs, some patches I could stick on there. You could actually change these up so much. If you were more crafty than I am, you could put all sorts on these. Shall we do it, SJ? Are we gonna do this? We're ripping this off. Look, camera 2. And then, sneaker cam, you ready for this? Oh my word. I have destroyed it. And so we can see, actually, interestingly, you could wear these, you could wear them without any swoosh on, because the felt bit of the Velcro is actually a really nice black contrast. It's a nice difference in texture. You got that there? What colour shall we go with first? SJ, orange? Yeah. Orange it is, right. So let's just see how easy this truly is. So we are lining it up. We're lining it up there. Can we see that, sneaker cam? Now what we have to do on the back, sneaker cam, is we just have to lift up the heel tab ever so slightly. Can we see this? We've got this, and then I've got to pull this round. Now I'm doing this having not done this before at all. I've not perfectly lined it up, so let's just, you get the idea. I've not been particularly perfect around the back, but you've now got an entirely different shoe. Right, I need to pull that tight up. Okay, so, but what I've also seen people do, right, okay, just put that there like that, and then we're going to get this round the back. No, it's not going to work that easily. Put that there, put it round the back, and then to do that on that side, and then we're going to go counter on the other side. We're going to go with this shocking pink, and we're going to see if we can get it to stick. And then we're going to pull it round, stick it under the heel tab, and we're going to just see if it will stick like that there. Okay, so first attempts. You've seen me do this live. I haven't actually but I'm quite liking this. Okay, so maybe I wouldn't be Virgil and like an immediate designer, but that's fun. Right, what should we stick on the other shoe? This is like, I don't know what it's like. Right, we're going to rip this off. There we go. I'm sure this is not the best video in the world. It's probably not the most entertaining thing, although there's probably people out there who like the sound of Velcro being ripped. Let's line that bad boy up, pull it tight. We're going. Okay, that was better. That one's actually gone on better, SJ. Flap the thing down, black and blue. You like black and blue? So anyway, as you can see as well, we have got black swooshes into the mix as well, but I'm not sure I'm gonna rock black and red, black and blue I mean. I'm gonna go back for that pink. I'm gonna go back for the pink and run the pink on its own. SJ, can you just swoosh round? Do you see what I did there? Swoosh round the shoe. Like it's really quite surprising how once you line these up, and it's really quite easy. And I didn't think that these would sell out, but they, you know, the white ones just went like hotcakes. And there we go. Now, so the critical thing is to get that stitch all lined up there. And there we go. Hot pink on a black shoe. Sneaker cam, do you like hot pink on a black shoe? There we go. I raise this to you, camera 2, camera 1, and I say, are they not fabulous shoes? So if you've picked these up in black or white, link to the videos that you've created in the comments below, and let's see how you're designing. I think there's many possibilities to take these to an entirely other level. You know, you could probably put not even the swoosh on, you could put some other stuff on here. I also think that debranding them entirely is kind of interesting. Just ripping the brands off, and even just putting it on upside down is kind of nuts. So let me know what you think. Is Nike doing some interesting things at the moment with the AF1? I think they probably are, but let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed and you've made it this far, subscribe button's just down there somewhere. If you like this sort of thing, subscribe. It helps us. And for our regular subscribers, thank you. And our regular commenters, thank you again so much. Let me know what you think. If you could just hit one of our other videos that are in the related videos, that really helps us in the YouTube algorithm and will help us rise up. So that would be awesome. If you haven't hit the notification bell in the past, give it a go now. Just do that. That will help you when we're uploading, which is on Mondays. No, it's not. It's not on Mondays. It's on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and we stream on Sundays. So people, until next time, see ya.